everyone, I'm Sonali Jha and in today's video we are going to show you some creativity. I know you guys are missing Anamika. You all know creativity is totally about Anamika. So we are using this quarantine time to show you something interesting. So move into the video.
So hi guys, Sonali has already introduced about myself. So Anamika here, and today in this video we'll be utilizing the waste of our house, anything like shampoo bottle or anything kind of thing, and we'll try to make it something beautiful. And you can say it is moreover like best out of waste kind of video. So let's start with the video. Starting with very easy thing in our list. So this is a showpiece lamp. Actually it is just a coffee mug which was broken by me. I am pro in that, in breaking things. So it was broken and I have just fixed out the major part of it with the help of clay and painted it black and highlighted the ends with the golden glitter. You can do it or not, it all depends on you how creative you can make it. Okay, then I put this electric candle into it, and let me show you. I'll just switch off the light and show you that how beautiful it looks like at night, So, secondly, we'll be making a shampoo bottle vase. So for shampoo bottle vase, we need old shampoo bottle, empty shampoo bottle, old toothbrush, this fabric color, poster color, any kind of colors. I have just used this glitter, it is optional, you can use it. Palette and a toothbrush. So take out the color on a palette for a better application. Now dip the toothbrush into it like this and spray the color on the bottle like this. Okay, put newspaper so that your mother will not kill you when it gets dirty. In this manner, you just have to do it. Use different color according. So generally all my DIYs are of waste material, and that's why my mother doesn't like it, and she has not given me any place to keep it. She has just provided me with a shelf, and I just have to. It's all done. I have put yellow color, red color and white color on it. It is all depends on you. Now I have the shells from Goa, like since I was born in Goa, so yeah, I have some shell collection. So decorate it with shells or any kind of thing. It is all depends on it. It's all optional. Do it by yourself. Play with it. And I just stick it out with a gum, with a Fevicol, or you can use hot glue gun as well, all your choice. This is the final thing, and I have put some flowers to decorate. Sunboard. You can create we'll be creating simple frames for our house, and we'll show our calligraphy into it. So for that you need something a little thick. If you don't have anything, then use this calendar, your old calendar paper, which you can use it. Then a newspaper, pencil, a paintbrush, a pen, a scale, and of course colors. So yeah. So first of all, you just have to mark out a thing on your. You can take any measurement, like it is arbitrary. The size of a frame is arbitrary. Take it to your choice, anything, like anything. So here I am taking 30 centimeters. I started on Instagram. I started an episode called Quarant DIY, which is says like quarantine plus DIY. So there I make a lot of things on Instagram, and I'll post also regularly. Like I've just made this scrunchies and the hairband which I have worn earlier. All are made at DIY, so you can follow me there. I know little cheap publicity, but it's fine. If you want, if you can follow, just check it out. The link is provided in the description box below. And yeah, if you liked our today's video, then please subscribe, press the bell button, and please like our video and comment also that which thing you like the most. Okay, then since the marking is done, now I'll just cut it out with a scissor, and I'll take a thing with it. To make it thick, I'll cut out another thing and stick it out to make it a little thick frame. Now from the newspaper, select that part of thing where you don't find this kind of huge headings. Okay, so only the paragraph part, and stick it at the back of this frame like this, which will create a background for our sunboard. Now use anything for your room, like any quote. You can write any quotes for your room, like. So yeah, paint this black color or any color of your choice. Now I have made like this, and I've written plan, prepare, perform. Show your calligraphy skills like that, anything. And yeah, this is nice for a room, no? Next on our list is a cute frame kind of thing, a frame stand you can say, or yeah, anything, you can keep anything on that. So we need this mud, mitti or soil, this Fevicol and a mold. In that shape frame thing, I'll call my brother because this is very dirty. Actually my hands will get dirty, so I'll call my brother and he'll do it. So this is Aman Kumar Prasad, my brother, and yeah, so we first
have to pour glue into the soil and mix well.
okay.
That's it.
It's done now, and this will be the consistency. Now what is the next step, Aman?
We will put the mud into the mold.
Good. And make sure that your mold is, you have put the Vaseline into it, so grease it with the Vaseline. And a last step, Aman, what is it?
We have to
Put this paper pin into it. Put it. Keep it for a day to dry it. I have also made many more like this. Aman, please show once. Yeah, this is from a cement kind of a thing, and other one is, Aman, it is from a mud. So these kind of photo frames, it's very cute, and you can keep it on a shelf or anywhere like this. So yeah.
bye.
So this is for today. So we have made a vase from a shampoo bottle, then a lamp from a broken mug, then what we have made? We have made this sunboard from newspaper and a cardboard, and lastly we have made a beautiful frame. If you liked anything and you have made something, please do tag me on Instagram. The link is provided in the description box below. And
Thank you for watching. Till then, stay sassy, spexy and sexy. Stay home and stay safe.